Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the high contrast mode on this device. Simply go to your settings, scroll down, tap on the option accessibility. Now here you can see the option vision enhancement. Select this one. So here you can see some display mode, default, high contrast and enlarged display. To enable and use the high contrast, select the option high contrast. You can see on the high contrast, you can see what are the functions. Dark mode, high contrast fonts, high contrast keyboard, reduce animations and reduce transparency and blur are turned on. To enable this one, tap on the option apply. You can see high contrast is applied. Okay, high contrast mode makes text and icons clear, especially in bright light or for users with weak eyesight. This feature is trending as more users focus on eye comfort and readability. So simply in this way we can enable and use high contrast mode on this device. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.